Good morning, everyone. 今から breakfast です。
Good morning. I'm sweating. It is hot, and we're off to see the wizard. No, we're off to go to Torrance. But first, I'm gonna recycle all of this nonsense. To me, it looks like about $6. So, but it'll be nice to have it out of the apartment. The apartment's like almost clean, like really clean. It'll be nice to have a perfectly clean apartment. Yosh.
Buffet. 今日の朝ごはん。Gorgeous. This is mine. This is Miho's. 少ない。
I was close, almost $6. It's five. You can't see that. It's $5.76. So now I'm gonna go get my money inside. Okay, so I was just getting gas right here, and there was this woman there, and she was pissed. Hang on. Hooray for signs! If you're gonna pay with your debit card at the gas station, I've learned, because someone has charged my card before when I didn't want them to. When I got gas, someone charged my card and took like $60 worth of gas, and we couldn't get it back. I called the bank and I called the gas station, and no. So if you want to use your card at the gas station, go to the window and then swipe your card and get a receipt, and then you're gonna be safe. So remember that. You don't want to lose your money. I don't know what's going on here, but there's usually not traffic here, so I'm kind of worried. It's probably an accident or something.
Lunchtime! Ta-da-da! Ooh! 美味しそう。吸ってる、見せて。そっちじゃない？聞いてみて。スリ。飛んだ。早く食べなさい。怖い。赤。ちょっと待って。
I've been in this traffic for like 25 minutes now. Here, look up the hill. It goes way back. Probably like half a mile or maybe almost a mile I've been in this traffic. I wonder why. I still don't see the front, so I don't know why. We're free! I'm free! My family runs on island time, and so brunch has become lunch. But first, I am at the mall and I'm gonna pick up some underwear, and hopefully the machine works at Aeropostale this time. Success. Underwear. Now, I think it's time to eat. I'm starving. Starving Marvin.
どっちがいいかな。お土産に手羽さん食べないから。はい、いらっしゃいませ。じゃあ、4人前あれば十分じゃない？まだ帰ってくる。わかんない。すいません、手羽先4人前持ち帰り。4人前で。はい、ありがとう。これもお土産。
I think they're waiting for me.
Did you get any shopping done?
They got underwear.
Oh, good. Excellent.
少しこの上乗せる？結構重いよ。
Cool. Saving room for ice cream though?
Yeah.
Skillfully done.
Thank you.
Looks like white and brown poop.
You look like white and brown poop.
That's pretty good. Good comeback. I almost ran into somebody.
今から東京帰ります。Yay!
I'm so full. If you guessed that I'm gonna weigh less, then maybe. Wait, there goes my family. They're gonna drop Missy off. If you guessed that I'm gonna weigh less than 175, today's breakfast brunch thing, it might have been bad news for you. Woo. I ate a lot. Biscuits, gravy, what else? That was mostly it. I had a lot of biscuits and gravy because they were really good.
手羽先チップスター。クリコー。
I'm starting to feel better. Say hi, Grace.
Hi.
Say hi, Lizzie.
Like Golden State Saga.
We're going to Barnes & Noble again. Now that we have energy to do nothing inside.
名古屋で美味しいものいっぱい食べれたし、いとこにも会えたし、友達にも会えたし、まあ楽しい旅でした。今から帰ります。
Have you guys read Perks of Being a Wallflower? Perks of Being a Wallflower. You're gonna read it?
I will read it.
Alright.
Cool, thanks.
Enjoy it.
It looks different.
I liked it. It's kind of weird, but it's good.
Yeah. Cool, thanks.
Alrighty.
Thanks.
Thanks, Grace.
Thanks, Chris.
名古屋の感想。お腹いっぱい。それだけ？
If you ever wondered, it takes me between about 30 minutes and an hour to get from LA to Torrance or back. And so, and as we drive towards LA, I can feel the heat getting worse. Look, the metro. This is the new metro, the newest metro station, I think. It's on La Cienega and Jefferson. I'll have to ride the metro sometime so that all you guys in other countries can see what it's like. I haven't ridden in years, and I've never been on this one, so we'll see. See if I can do that soon.
列車到着いたしております。9号車付近男性のお客様、柵からは離れてお待ちください。9号車男性のお客様、柵にはもたれないでください。
It's not so hot right now. It's like probably only like 83. It's nice. I never thought I would say 83 is nice. Look what LA does to people. It's gross.
ご不便をおかけいたしますが、5号車または9号車のトイレをご利用ください。ただいま、この電車の7号車の洋式トイレ故障のためご利用いただけません。ご不便をおかけいたしますが、5号車または
I finally got to use my gift card and I bought 4 pairs. So I got blue, maroon, green, and gray. I think I'm just gonna have Korean noodles again, but there's no natto, so they're gonna be a little bland. And I'll have some grapes. That'll be good. Grapes and natto. Oh! I'm gonna use this Korean red sauce on my noodles. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
よいしょ。お家に戻ってきました。よいしょ。嬉しい嬉しい嬉しい嬉しい嬉しい嬉しい嬉しい。行かせたの、行か行か行か行か行か。
ただいまって今。
ただいま。
お帰りってそこまで出てきてた。
あ、そうなの？
等身大壁紙用ステッカーがあります。頑張ろう。ほら、急だな。
おばあちゃん、だから僕は生まれてきたんだよ。
This is my humble meal. The meal of a peasant. This is my noodles. I'm gonna put some of this red sauce on there and grapes and water. It's healthy though, right?
これなんだ。
もしもし。
これなんだ。
26日のバーベキューはあなた行けるのよね。
エマの葉。エマの葉が取れた。
いいのね。
これ。
分かった。ちょっと人数確認。
見える？
うん。
見える？
それだけ。
見えてる。
寝てたの？
OK。
You guys, I just wanted to say goodnight. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you tomorrow.
そろそろ寝るので See you guys tomorrow! Good night!